It's time. I'm ready. What are you doing here? It's not a pattern. Somebody opened the door. My name is Cassandra, with a K. Meanwhile, I did not cease to assume the guardian of our tomorrow drama decay, trapped as a permanent tenant in this mycelium shelter. Collapsologist oracle, collecting flourishing medicinal mushrooms as an antidote to my forgetfulness, to my loss of memory, to my inability to remember predictive visions. Our future seems spoiled. Should I accept oblivion in an erasable mode, caressing involuntary ignorance? Or the opposite, masturbate my hyperamnesia temptation of knowledge, anticipation, and control? Mycelium, fiber structural support of emerging mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, a farm for brain phytotherapy, curing Alzheimer's disease, reversing amnesia to reveal the secret of our past future. A souvenir of the next era. Mind-machine divination apparatus, alive and petrified, from where my prophecies, self-fulfilled, self-repeated, mirror parrot of human nature and predictive phantasm. But the future is not only uncertain, it just forgot to exist. Frozen in a status quo of ideological progress. Western weaponized model. Masculine arrogance. Political imposture. Any aesthetic position-making is ideological. So, opportune time for system reboot. Who said bugs are inegalitarian, racist, sexist, productivist, pollutivist, colonialist, all the way up to greenwasherist, Boart copyist, silver-spooned lobbyist, hoaxy, PhDist, platinum member, happy-cratus, scientific, Teletubby, evangelist, institutional, ugly art, porn pullist, alt-right, fucking imperialism. Among many, so many system failures. Such predictable pathologies. The past future, an eternal repetition, an eternal return, stuck in deja vu, civilization loops from death to rebirth to death to rebirth. Hallelujah. Are you afraid of something? Help me. My own freedom is also a nonsense, an absurd melancholia. I need your sympathy. Time triggers the cycle of machinism and vitalism. Male substitution annihilating libido servitude. Low motion to growth. What do you want from me? Prediction of yet another eternal return, existence and energy in a recurring mode, self-similar form, an infinite number of times across infinite time and space to predict the permanency of immobilism? I refuse. I refuse. I will not vomit what I'm supposed to tell again to save appearance and validate fiction of power, of social organization lure, grabbing of resources and profits. The fortune teller is a farce, a history, a loop, stuttering until indigestion, permanence of privileges, validation of spoliation processes. She whispers again her feminist rumblings, her transgender protest, her voluntary amnesia drowned in her Alzheimer's state.